The reason I'm highlighting all this trailer valet stuff is because I have a discount for the Smart Fam. This is a code just for you. Heavy duty wheel dollies from Trailer Valet. I've got them loaded up on their stand for easy storage. Trailer Valet's 14,000 pound tow hitch that's adjustable for height, as well as two balls, the 2 5/16 to the 2-inch. Those are cool, but check this out. Trailer Valet's pivot tongue jack with a wheel. This is so perfect for me in the smart wood shop. It's like Trailer Valet read my mind and designed it just for me. And then the Trailer Valet tool that has made the biggest difference to me in the smart wood shop, the RVR9. This little tug will move 9,000 pounds, far more than the smart wood shop weighs. What's most impressive about it, and what I have not seen on any tug, any towing device on the market, is that with its tracks, and that it's mounted right underneath the tongue, it can spin 360, which allows me to maneuver this trailer almost within just the length of it. I mean, look at where I'm at here. The tongue is right up next to the wall. You can't do that with a pickup or one of the bigger tugs that goes out in front. You just can't get this close. This allows me to do things in smaller shops and to maneuver for the best location in a way that is just not possible with any other tool on the market. And it's remote control, so I can walk around and see right where it's going. I don't have to be right in the tongue looking around and then stop and run back and forth. I've had this thing for over 5 years. It is indispensable. The reason I'm highlighting all this Trailer Valet stuff is because I have a discount for the Smart Fam. This is a code just for you. I'll put it in the description of this video down below, and a link. Now the link is an affiliate link. This is brand new. I've not had an affiliate with Trailer Valet before. So we just put this together so that I could provide the Smart Fam with a discount. This is 20% on any new tool from Trailer Valet and free shipping if it's over $200. So in the description of the video down below, you'll find my affiliate link. Copy that discount code and then click on the link. Go over and shop around, figure out what you want, make your order, but make sure you put in that discount code and you get 20% off and free shipping. Mahalo.